Hello, I'm LaTesha McCoy, broker owner of McCoy Realty Group. I've been a realtor for 10 years and I am here to answer all your questions that you may have regarding home ownership. So please make sure that you click the link below so that you can register for our free homebuyer seminar scheduled for February 26th and invite your friends and family that this may help. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kathy Delbridge and I am a loan officer with Success Mortgage Partners, and I will be your mortgage coach. I've been helping homebuyers achieve the dream of homeownership for 23 years, and I hope to see you so we can help you get the tools needed to navigate purchasing and financing your dream home. I assure you it's going to be informative, engaging, and there just might be some door prizes to give away as well. Look forward to seeing you there. Sign up today.
Hello, my name is Bonita White, and I am a financial literacy coach. I help men and women just like yourself get excellent credit so that you will be ready to purchase a home. I am so excited about sharing some of my strategies with you all. If you use them, your credit score will go up in a short amount of time. So listen, get registered for the free online home buying seminar. Click the link below. We only have a limited amount of seats left, and I look forward to sharing with you all. See you soon.